Court on January 4 declared that an injunction obtained by some aggrieved residents of Santro Kofi, Akpafu, Likpe and Lolobi at the High Court in Hohoe against the gazetting of Mr. John Peter Amewu be null and void. The applicants cited human rights violation because they were not given the opportunity to vote in the parliamentary elections. The Supreme Court, however, held that the injunction, which was granted in December 2020, died a natural death because the 10-day period had already elapsed. It also held that the whole High Court erred in granting an injunction against the gazetting of the then MP-elect for Hohoe. The court said the High Court, which is a human rights court, lacked jurisdiction to hear cases on election petition. Counsel for the applicants, Mr. Chachichikata, arguing on the review application, said the court, in its ruling, did not take into consideration its own binding decisions and also failed to recognize that the right to vote is a constitutional demand. This, he said, constitutes a fundamental error in the court's decision. Mr. Chikata again submitted that the court's description of the application for injunction before the whole High Court as an election petition was an error. According to him, the application sought to carry out a fundamental human right to allow SALL residents to vote, and their refusal makes the parliamentary election in that constituency invalid. The state, led by Chief State Attorney Madam Grace Ewell, opposed the application for review, arguing that it did not meet the requirements under Rule 54.